What's up? This is Jason with Bashing RC 24/7. We got the A959-b out again. After seeing some other people's videos, and I thought I would like to try to see if I could work on this thing a little bit and make it faster. And I had a 540 motor laying around. Well, actually not laying around, but I just took it out of my blackout when I put in the new motor, the 3660, into that. So I started working on this thing, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've done. Alright, I would like to have done a run video, but it's been snowing here all day, so. Alright, so yeah, that's a Ghoul RC 540 4300 kV, which with this thing ran my blackout on 3S at about 47, 48, I think. I've got a 60 amp ESC, so I can now run this on 3S. However, I'm not sure that I'm going to, because I was running it, the 28, I think, 45 brushless motor, which was 3000 kV on 2S, and that was pretty dang fast. So this, I think, should do alright on 2S. I'm really looking forward to testing it out, trying it out. So yeah. Let me see. One modification I just did, which it's really only did it because it's some parts I had, and I just noticed that the back differential, which was the differential that came with it stock. The front one I had replaced because it was totally shot. But the back one, it was fine when I first put it in here. And the problem I have is the little cups on the side. Them things, they tend to just turn through where they where they input and connect to the plastic gear on the inside or whatever it is, but they just turn or sometimes they'll just end up rounding out the connection part. So what I had a this is a front differential, the from a 12423. The I think it is a short course truck, and the cups are quite longer, which kind of limits the amount of travel on the suspension. So I've tightened the suspension up. I think it should work out alright, because I pretty much just run this on flat ground. So yeah, the wires, there's a whole lot of wires coming off this ESC, and they were really long, and their things kind of look kind of jumbled up. Also, I just last night I'd gotten the new shock tower braces or whatever, so I got them installed. I will eventually get around to getting the metal differentials, which I've seen that they make them, but I've seen a lot of people complain about them. They look pretty poorly made with a very cheap metal. They also have the little spider gears that turn the differentials in metal, which I haven't heard anything really good about them either. But also the differential box, this right here, this top little brace piece, I'm gonna get that in metal, and I've already ordered and got the C seat and the hub carriers in metal on the way. That thing's dirty, but so yeah, this is going to be basically all metal soon. So yeah. Oh, anybody, if y'all seen my well, that's right. Okay, I made a video yesterday of my blackout with the motor in it, the new motor 3660 4300, and with also, let's see, with this ESC, it wasn't 5 minutes and this thing don't work anymore. Now I've been looking into it. The fan stopped working first after just a minute or two, and then the I think what I haven't checked to see exactly, but um, from what I understand, I think the BEC, which is a battery eliminator circuit, I think it's got a really weak one. So I'd seen another video where this guy, he had I don't know, I have to look back at it because I don't know too much about how that works, but he did something. Can he say he ran it straight like off a battery? So so it worked then. And the issue I'm having, it'll turn it when I hit the turn or the steering, it will turn. However, when I pull the throttle, you just kind of hear like a click, 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 and it won't go. And it's not the motor clogging; it's the ESC having some sort of malfunction. So, oh, also I put this front bumper on it. I can't remember. I think this was a bumper for the S912. I just kind of drilled some holes in it on the bottom piece, and so it's not really held on there too good. But I mean, it's on there, but as you see, Anyway, I think that'll work out just fine. Because these cars, they didn't come with any type of bumper system at all. So, um, and one of the next things I will probably be doing is I will probably be getting some better tires. Right now, looking around, well, because I've upgraded this to the 12 millimeter hexes. So they on eBay, you know, or any of the other, sites people commonly buy RC products from, you can find, that they'll call them 1/10. I guess some people use them 1/10. I think for drift cars, but they'll be, these kind of like the low profile street tires or whatever. But there's tons of different styles and everything, and they're all like $10 or less. I've seen them for like $7, $8. So of course the plastic's going to be cheap, but at $7, $8 a pair, if they break after a month, buy another pair, right? Plus they do all look pretty good. These looked really nice when I first got them. I got these from AliExpress for like 10, $11. But if you go on eBay and you look for 1/10 RC tires, you will find tons of the sets of this size that will fit on this if you have the 12 millimeter hex conversion on it. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I'll be making a run video soon. I'm really looking forward to it because I think this thing is gonna haul some serious ass. I seen a video today of I can't remember the YouTuber's name, um, but he had posted. The guy's got an A959, and he's also got what do you call it, like a little dyno of some sort, or I don't know if it's a dyno, but it's some sort of thing. Looks similar to a dyno, but it will tell you the wheel speed, I guess, kind of. So with the little tiny 2445 motor, that guy got, the limit or the max that it will show or read is 99, I think, or 100 kilometers per hour. And he said he showed, you could watch the video and see that he reached that. And he said he was only pulling the throttle, like 75%. So I'm real interested to see what this thing's going to do. I'm a little bit worried it's gonna be just too crazy and not controllable. Sorry about the camera bounce up and down. I'm holding it with my hand. All right, so yeah, see you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.